Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yes, my good people. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I see the odds. I greet you not too much. Good evening and a happy weekend. Happy weekend once again, my people. I not too much get enough time. When I try when I share this video, may reach where the governor did. Because the fight where those people fight for you, not be the one you want country fight us back. And those people don't give you the mandates. May you take rule for another 4 years. But now you want country fight our old papa. You not go work now. The son of betrayer will always be a betrayer. Because the area where now they go so, it don't make sense. It don't make sense so, it don't make sense. People where they advise you, they don't feel advise you well. People where they advise you, they don't feel advise you well. Because all those comrades, we be say all of them that they can pay, they speak big grammar that year. All of them don't shut up now. All of them don't shut up now. Nobody they agree they talk again. We don't know why it can't be like that. Understand? We don't know why the whole thing be like that. But me, I go speak my mind. You see that money without effect, it must go to our kingdom, where they for carry am. Or may they leave am there. Or may they not return am. You understand? Because the way those people come to the quiet for this matter, when I come they fear to even talk to this, as in, me I don't understand though. All those organizations for Canada, for America, what you come they do, now to come back to collect money for you, and they do. Now if we call this man to order and say, this thing return her back to our palace. See how this man they disrespect our kingdom. They disrespect our kingdom. Why? Why? We don't just have an Oba. We have a kingdom. After British kingdom, after United Kingdom, it's a Edo kingdom. Benin Empire. That place have to be respected, no matter how cost. That's why we they tell you and say, all those people they swear for children for abroad, they do this one, they do this one. More than not, they swear for children again. Because if it's set, now those youths now want to fight the fights. If it's set yours now, when I will be chiefs now, go fight the fights. Now the youths now go carry chest, come out, come fight them. Come fight them. Because where this man they go so now the truth of the matter is that to sell us, give foreigner. Now this man they so. Now to sell us out, at the end of the day, they'll come take over our kingdom. Now what they plan to do? At the end of the day, they'll come sell our kingdom, give foreigner, who will come be slave to these people. This man can do it. He can do it. So with the wash, waiting with Lai Mohammed come plan down, more we see as it go be now. May we see as the matter go play. Waiting with Lai Mohammed don't talk now. May we see the way the whole team matter now will come take go. You understand? We go see as the whole matter now will come take go. Because they did Germany now, they don't go collect money. They want collect money. You understand? Lai Mohammed they in charge of Lai Mohammed they interested of the money. Not be waiting they want return. You understand? Una governor dey in charge of the money. The devil they interested of the money. You understand? Not be Edo people say you may go borrow money to do election. Not be Edo people as in Edo people give you their support when you say you want. What you supposed to take pay Edo people back? Now you are paying us with evil. You are paying us with insult and embarrassment. This an insult. This an insult. It's an insult because you never respect our kingdom. You dey disrespect Edo people. That's why we dey tell them that time say this man more than not vote am, but una not here. I go carry vote am. See now, I don't vote am now. Wetin una come dey see for return? It never starts now. It never starts. Now the beginning they na preamble in they do so preamble. Preamble now in they do so preamble. Preamble now in they do so. I think don't carry on now. More they watch now. Governor Obaseki, I want plead. Say I beg. All those plans where you be get, will be not good. I bet throw them. Because hand where do people take carry you. Not let them use that hand. Come to they use pure water till they stone you for streets. They see the oppression say Oshomole want remove you for seat. Now make Edo people gang up. Esa Akoko Edo Bini, all of them gang up to make sure say they bring you back. A lot of them spend money, they spend their resources to make sure say you come back. You for not win. They stand for by you throughout your struggle. I beg, waiting there your mind, not let that happen. That thing where they want return. Just suffer carry am go give with the envelope, with the money where they follow am, go carry and give palace, go carry and go give our kingdom. Make the chiefs, make the Oba, make them decide what they want to do with their property. Now then go decide where they go put them. That property not belong to Edo state government. It not belong to federal government. It belong to our kingdom. Now personally property. Now personally property, not be state government get her, not be federal government get her. I beg, with the beg una, Mona not let this thing can cause problem. I beg. Obaseki, I beg. Just respect your people who support you. Keep that respect. Whether you work for Edo, you not work for Edo, our palace not go come ask you, our kingdom not go come ask you. So we want beg you. Anything we be see you come, they bring embarrassment to come our kingdom. We don't need them. That be the beg we are gonna beg you today. I beg, make you try. May you consign with all your Edo people. Not let people come they throw stone, they meet you. You not go come like them. If Edo people carry you, you go respect the carry. If Edo people drop you, you not go come like yourself. So my Edo people, now waiting, we go to beg Obaseki. Make it try. Make it respect our big house. May Obaseki not disrespect our big house again. Not feel say you be governor. You be governor for 4 years, 8 years. Not be forever. So Obaseki, I send you this message today to make you respect our big house. Give honor to those that deserve the honor. Adam Egbe or Siezori, Egevenado Siezo, Evenado Siezo. Well, I beg you now, trend with social media now. Oba Beni versus Godno Obaseki. Godno Obaseki versus Oba Beni. That be waiting the trend for social media. That be waiting the happen for paper. Obaseki, why now? Why? Governor, why?